Alright, today's Proventure food adventure brings us to just over the Johnston, Rhode Island line into Providence. Found this place online. It's, I'm not going to say it right, La Fogata, and it is a food truck. So, some stuff on there I didn't even see. I looked at their menu. So I ordered some burrito ramen, which looked pretty interesting, and some burrito tacos. So I put in my order, they gave me a buzzer, and they're gonna let me know when it's ready. Back in the vehicle, and I've got what looks like a lot of food. Not a problem. This is the burrito ramen. Let me stick a spoon in there so you can kind of see what it looks like. This is the burrito tacos. So hold on, should have been ready. Sooner or later I'll get this together. Look at that, man, that thing is just loaded. Loaded with stuff. So, let's just keep it rolling. Let's start with a... Gonna end up wearing this, no question of a doubt. Maybe I should protect myself a little. At one point I'd set up bibs for myself, but it just didn't look cool. I'm not sure why I'm worried about looking cool. Might have to go with a fork for this. I gotta tell you, it smells really good. That ramen tastes really good. Oh. Alright. Just took the sauce out of the taco container, and of course it was sitting in something, so all that work to protect the shirt gone down the tube. I'm guessing this is like a dipping sauce. Not sure exactly what it is. That's some good stuff right there. Liking that. So, yeah, let me shut this off and we'll come back and wrap up. Let's wrap this night up here at La Fogata, which I think is Guatemalan from what I read over there. Doesn't really matter. Good food is good food, doesn't matter what language it's in. And make no mistake, this was good food. The ramen, good flavor, really good. I couldn't tell if it was a prepackaged thing and they add their own stuff or how that works exactly because of the container it came in, but it was very tasty. Not a ramen guy, so maybe that's part of it. But I really enjoyed it. Very, very flavorful. Same thing with the tacos. Great flavor. The burrata. I really need to learn these languages. The burrata just seems to be a really nice flavor. I just really enjoyed it. In case you were wondering if I kept my shirt clean after that initial spill, the answer is absolutely not. Try as I might. One day I'm going to eat food out and not spill it on my shirt, but that's not today. So, excellent food. Really nice girl working the window. It's a food truck, don't forget. I don't think I've ever... Now, I don't go to every food truck I see, but I've never been to a food truck where the food is less than really good. And that's the case here. It was really good. Flavorful ramen, flavorful tacos. The sauce they gave you to dip it into made it even better. 0 to 10, definitely over 8. I gotta go 8.6. I really liked it. La Fogata, and it's literally on Old Route 6, just after you pass into Providence from Johnston. 8.6. Really good.